Yeah, that's the teacher. That's a teacher telling them to make a good queue, and the teacher is telling them that they make a 2 queue. Yeah, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Boy here. Yeah, today's on Tuesday. Yeah, and you know the students have already opened the schools. So I was just at the center, the way you can see here. I'm with my driver here for today. So I'm coming from center. You know, at center there you can't vlog because you know the people say they don't want to be recorded. Yeah, so we fear somehow. Okay, you can see here I have a shopping now. Yeah, I've already come from my center, from my near center here. Yeah, called the Masaba. Yeah, you know I've been going there in morning hours. Now I have to bring the shopping so that the lunch can be prepared for a student who have gone to school. Yeah, so that when he come back, he gets the lunch. You know, here the student go to school at morning time, and they usually come back lunch. The lunch they do take home. Yeah, so here with my now I'm back to my home again. Kwa Chris, kwani hujaenda shule leo tena?
Teacher alituambia tusiende shule bila uniform.
I'm asking why he don't went to school. You know, I have not when I wake up early in the morning I went away. So I thought that he went to school, and right now I'm seeing him here. Mbona hujaenda shule na jana ulinunua viatu? Jana si nilikununulia viatu?
Viatu na socks. Jana nilienda. Sasa
jana ulienda shule? Jana ukaenda shule saa ngapi? Na ulikuja huko late?
Jana nilienda shule. Sikurudi shule jioni.
Okay, you know guys, I'm asking why don't he went to school, and tomorrow I bought for him school shoes. A plastic one. And the socks. Why? Eti mkaambiwa aje? Why don't you tell me? Mbona huku niambia?
Jana ndo tuliambiwa.
Jioni.
Waliambiwa jana, mimi wakaniambia. Waliambiwa juzi, mimi wakaniambia jana.
Sasa mbona hukuja asubuhi uniambie? I'm asking why don't he come to my room and ask me why he don't went to school. Sasa hebu tuende huko kwa nyumba yenye unalala. Mbona hujaenda shule bwana? Na nilikununulia I bought for you a shoes. Yesterday, a plastic shoes. Ziko wapi hizo viatu? Ni hizi? Tuone. Yeah, is here. You can see the shoes I bought to Chris yesterday. Yeah, because he asked for me that he was not went to school because he don't have shoes, and yesterday I bought to Chris these shoes here. You see? Yeah, and I think shikiria viatu zako. Mbona ziko na vumbi hivi bwana? Kuwa msafi, sawa? Sasa mtu ataona eti hizi viatu ni mzee. Is a new shoes. It's because he used it to last yesterday. You have used it just one day, yeah? Umetumia mara moja?
Yes.
Yes, he had used it just one time. Only one day. It's a new shoes, huh? This one is a plastic, guys. Yeah, this one here is a plastic shoes. You can see. It's very nice. Very good shoes. Yeah. Na socks ziko wapi? Nataka uenda shule saa hii. I'm telling him, kwa nini hujaenda shule? Why have you not went to school?
The teacher alituambia eti tusiende shule bila kuwa na socks za uniform ya shule.
Okay, he said that. Ongea kwa nguvu watu wasikie. Kwa nini hujaenda shule?
The teacher alisema usiende shule bila uniform ya shule.
You know, guys, he is trying to explain that head teacher is the one who said that if you know you don't have a full school uniform, don't go. You will not go to school today. Okay? Is the teacher said that?
Yes, akasema eti mpaka uombewe ruhusa.
And he said that head teacher tell that if you want to be sent to school, your parent must go there and ask for permission. Now I'm going to take him to school because it's not good that he's outside here and the others they are in school. Wewe fanya hivi, chukua nguo zako zenye unavaanga za shule kila siku, take your uniform which you are being used and let's put on the uniform and I'm going to take you to school right now. Where is mom? Mama ako wapi?
Mama aliondoka asubuhi.
Okay, I'm trying to ask my mom. Na ulikuwa unafanya nini?
Nachotea moto.
Wa nini?
Kupika chai.
Kupika chai? Mama alikuachia pesa ya maziwa? Okay, sasa unapikia wapi?
Napikia kwa kuni.
Hebu tuende tuone ni wapi unapikia. Harakisha bwana, ni hivi uenda shule saa hii. Oh, ni chai unapika? Sawa, sasa haijachemuka, chochea kuni haraka. Chochea kuni haraka. I'm telling him to do faster, so you know he was cooking the tea. Yeah. Na Prince yako wapi? Where is Prince?
Prince amelala.
Amelala? Okay, let's do faster. Then tunaenda mpaka shule. Alafu I'm coming back to see Prince if he had wake up. Nini, chochea kuni bwana. Moto umewaka? Yeah, guys, you can see this is a modern jiko. This is a modern jiko. Yeah, it's not must that we put those stones. Yeah, sasa enda uvae nguo za shule. Umenawa uso?
Yes.
Okay. Do faster. You even don't take a shower because it will be late. Why don't you tell me last day that your teacher told you that you must have a permission to settle to school? Fanya haraka, vaa nguo tuende. This is my mom house. Yeah. This is my mom house. You can see, yeah, this is my mom house. Okay, not yeah. This is where my mom he's sleeping. Yeah, but this is the house of a father of Chris. Yeah, this is the house of a father of Chris, and just because my mom don't have a house to settle, he is now living inside here with the Chris and the Prince, with the Chris and the Prince. Yeah. Va nguo tuende bwana. Hiyo sweta ni ya shule. Yeah. Yeah man. Yeah, this is my mom house, which is being prepared. Yeah, this one here now is my mom house, which it's being prepared. Yeah, but it's not yet done. It's not yet done, man. Yeah, umemaliza? Why, Chris, umemaliza? Okay, you can see it has 2 rooms. Yeah, 2 rooms. This one here. Yeah. Can see this one here. This one is a bedroom. And this one here is a sit. Na unafanya nini bwana? Hebu toka haraka Chris. Unafanya nini? Ulikuwa unatafuta socks? Okay, he was finding socks. I'm asking what he was doing. Okay, varaka bas, varaka viatu. This socks is what I bought last day. It was yesterday, yeah? Is yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, during night. He came there. I gave him money and I tell him to go and buy shoes and the socks. How much I gave you? How much you bought these shoes here?
300.
Okay, he bought it 300. And the socks?
100.
100? Okay, just do hurry, we go. Hurry up. And these shoes, you have to wipe, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, with the wet cotton. With the wet cotton. A piece of cotton. With the wet a piece of cotton. Use it to wipe these shoes. These shoes, it's not that you must. It's not must that you must wash it. Yeah, no. It's a good shoe. You know, it's a plastic. Now he wipe it. Yeah, this one it will be clean. Harakisha bwana, harakisha. Sasa ile chai ukimaliza itakuwa imeiva. Yeah, you know I'm concentrating to Chris so that I make sure he went to school. Yeah, this kitchen. This is our kitchen here. This is our kitchen room. Yeah, you can see. This is our beautiful our beautiful kitchen room. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. You can see how is it beautiful. How is beautiful kitchen. Yeah, this is our beautiful kitchen room. You can see here. Yeah, this is a jiko. Yeah, this is a jiko. And this is a firewood, guys. This one here. This one here. It's called kigunzi maize. This one is a removal maize stick. Yeah, a removal maize stick. We call it kigunzi. Yeah, and here is this is a cooking stick. Yeah, you know I told you that this is our kitchen house, our kitchen room. Yeah, this one here, guys, Is a flour, yeah, which is used to cook the porridge. It's used to cook the porridge. Yeah, but you see, a mom bought a milk. My mom, she bought a milk. So they are not going today to take porridge, but they are going to take a tea. Yeah, you can see here, this is a sweet potato. Yeah, these are sweet potato, and is ready to take. But me now, I don't think like I'm going to take it. Yeah, this is a vigunzi. This is a firewood. Yeah, these are firewood. You can see it's many. Yeah, it's many bag here of vigunzi. Yeah, and these are firewood. Yeah, but Chris today he has decided to cook outside there. He has decided to cook outside there. Yeah. Harakisha twende. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, very smart. Very, very, very smart. Yeah, very smart. He has already dressed. Yeah, he has already dressed a school uniform. You can see the Chris. This is Chris now. My boy. Yeah. My boy here. Chris, go and check that tea. Yeah, this is my beautiful home, guys. Yeah, this is my beautiful home. This is my beautiful home. You can see. Yeah, this is our beautiful home. Our beautiful home. Yeah, you know. Yeah, we are many boys of mom to here to my home. Yeah, this door here, this is a room. Yeah, you can see the compound, how is beautiful. You know, with me I love flower. Yeah, with me I do love flower. I do love, very, very love, serious love. I do love flower. Yeah, I do love flower. And this is my house. This is my house. You can see how beautiful flower is this. Yeah, see how beautiful flower is this, guys. Very, very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah, very, very beautiful. This is my home. Our home. Our home is here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, our home is here, guys. Very beautiful home. A very beautiful home. Harakisha bo. Imechemka? Okay, sasa. Eka kwa chupa haraka twende.
Haijaiva.
Haijaiva? Sasa uende shule alafu rudi ukunywe. Ama usubiri hivi. Harakisha basi. Do hurry. Yeah, this is the life of Chris. You know, when we and okay, mama alienda kakuacha hapa.
Yes.
Okay. Now do hurry. We want to go to school. It's late. And I must go with you to school so that I ask for permission to you because I don't have money for buying a uniform now. Mmesema mmebadilisha nguo za shule?
Yes.
Okay. Sasa saa hii ni nguo mpya tu mko nazo? Mnataka mkuwe na nguo kama za junior secondary wote?
Yes.
Okay, guys, I was asking that they have already changed their uniform. So this is the okay, toa hiyo. Hiyo si sweater ya shule. Hii ni ya shule kweli. This is the pullover of your school.
No.
Okay. Okay, this is the old uniform. This is the old uniform. The old uniform of their school there. Gideon, ni aje? Aye. Okay, this is the old uniform. So he said that they have changed. Yeah, that they have changed. They have changed. Shika hapa hivi ni kupikia chai haraka haraka. Usichukue di sawa. Asionekane kwa kamera hata mara moja. Hata mama Prince asionekane sawa. Kansa. Acha nikuharakishie bana uende shule. Si chai imeshachemuka. Nahakikisha mtu anaonekana vizuri. Okay. Ikichongo kichujio ziko pale ndani?
Yes.
Okay. Fuate hapa haraka. Cancel. Now I'm going to take the tea from Jiko, you know. I've already. Umeweka sukari?
Yes.
Okay. Umefanya maji. Umepika chai maji. Di, asione. Wacha. Na kisha unachukua video nzuri. You know this I was chujaring it the way you can see. This one I kept for Prince, Chris and the mom. This one here. And we still have tea inside there. Nyesha chai. Unanionyesha hapa vile na struggle pia. Hey, you know, we used this one. We are using the firewood. Yeah, that's why you can see the smoke. The smoke here is many. So pause. So let me put for you. See? This is the tea. Yeah, let me put for Chris. Pause. Okay. Pause. Now let me take the tea to take this one here. Yeah, and yeah, this one is mine, and Chris have yours. How is it written? Whoa, drink bana, very fast twende. Ni moto, kaa huko ukunywa chai twende. Ama uchukue kikombe ingine ukindiri tui. Yeah, kunywa haraka bwana, twende. I'm telling him to drink quickly so that we go. You know it's almost lunch hours, so he take it very fast so that we go. Guys, you know now we have get here a visitor. Etinani?
Morgan.
Okay, what's your name, guys? You know this is my cousin, Karibu kule.
Thanks.
Yeah, this is my cousin here. So he have come to my home. Vipi, karibu?
Asante.
Poa vale. Hey, I can see he has come with his wife. And you have two baby, bro. Because I can see you have one and this one have yeah, this is your wife?
Yeah,
Sawa kuzu. Yeah, how are you? Yeah. Welcome. Chris, give the visitor chair outside there. Do hurry, we want to go. Yeah, you know this is my cousin here. Yeah. Pea wageni viti, twende tukae huko. Yeah, you know we have get a visitor. My cousin here. I've come to found my mom. Eti ulikuwa unasema aje kuzo mama?
Kona dai mom.
Oh, he has come to us to greet my mom. You know, I've told you that he is my cousin, so he has come with you can see here. But I do see this young man around. This one is not your baby. Yeah. Umekuja naye kutoka hapo? Okay. You can see this one here. How are you? Sorry. Where are you going? Come on the gate vikombe hapa alafu watu wakunywa chai kwanza bwana ndio uende. Leta vikombe huko haraka. Unajua nataka kurudi kazini huko. I'm asking him to bring the cup so that our visitor here, our cousin, yeah, they take breakfast. You know they have come while drinking the breakfast, so they must even them must take. Yeah, they have to take.
Cheza.
They have to take tea. Wametupata tunakunywa chai, so harakisha bana, ukuje na hiyo, kuja na vikombe mbili na chai. Sasa Kuzo, see, you know here is like your home, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to leave. I'm going to take this young man here to school. Today he never go to school. Why, Bright, nani Gilbert? Mbona hujaenda shule leo? Ongea kwa nguvu bwana. Pesa ya nini?
Lunch.
Your case is like Chris case. Your case is different. Okay, this one have not go to school today because they asked money for lunch. You know this one is in grade Which grade are you?
8.
Grade 8. He's in grade 8. And Chris here, which grade are you?
Grade 4.
Grade 4? Okay, let's go. You are ready?
Yes.
Take your bag. Sasa, Prince bado amelala. Nyinyi mutabaki hapa musubiri mama. Ako karibu kukuja, sawa? Yeah, you know, my small kids slept inside there. Called the, si unajua Prince? Amelala sasa, mama nakuja. Acha nimpeleke shule. I will be coming back or I will be going Masaba there to my shop.
Unampeleka Borera?
Yeah. Alifukuzwa shule. Alifukuzwa uniform. Yeah. Where is the Prince? Is the Prince wake up?
Amelala.
Okay, amelala? Haya. Sasa Kuzo, acha nimpeleke hivi.
Sawa wazi.
Haya, okay, this is my cousin. Here is like your home, guys. So, let me go. I will be coming back. Or my mom, if my mom she come, yeah, you just tell him that I've take Chris to school, okay? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Let's show love. Jamaican boy here. Yeah. Now, I'm going to take Chris to school. Yeah, it's not good when he settle here at home while others are in school reading. That's very bad. Let me take him to school. And I go and ask for him a permission. He has told me that a teacher told them that they have to ask their permission. Unapitia wapi? Sawa. Na hauna bagi? Hauna bagi ama vitabu ziko wapi? Vitabu unasomeanga? Wewe unaenda hivyo? Sawa, tutakutana. Marahaba, mambo. They are telling him that he read. Yeah, he read jokes. Is their friends that they are telling. Yeah. Yeah, the school is near. It's not very far. So we have to walk till we reach there. This is the shortcut to get to school. Yeah, this is a shortcut to go to school. Yeah, I'm taking him to school now. Yeah. Even if he don't have a uniform or he has it, but he don't have, you know, this is the old uniform of their school. But they have changed. Now that's why today he never went to school. That's because their head teacher tell them do not going to school if they don't have a new school uniform. Yeah, and their head teacher tell them that if they want to go to school with their old uniform, they have to ask the permission. Aye. On the way to school. On the way to school. Yeah, we are on the way going to school. So I have to ask a permission. Yeah, this is my village, guys. This is my village. See how our village is amazing. Yeah. See how our village is amazing. Yeah, very, very, very amazing like that. Yeah. The way I've told you that our school, the school of Chris, it's not very far from home. It's not very far, but you have to walk. Yeah. Mbona hujanyoa? Why don't you have ama shule yenu mnasoma hivyo? Mbona hukuja kunyoa?
Nilikuwa nataka leo nikuje kunyoa.
Hizo siku zingine unakuanga na Prince? We are still on the way. Yeah. We are still on the way going to school. Yeah man, the way I told you that the school is not it's not a big distance which you can use a motorbike. No, a distance is it's just from home to a school. It's not a big distance, but it's a distance which Maraba Kopoa is a distance. It was greetings. It's not far. It's a distance which even a bike, if you have a bike, you can just use to reach fast. Yeah, but here in village, you know, they usually walk. Yeah, they usually walk. Yeah, man. You can see the student here. They are going home. But I don't think if it's lunchtime. Wewe ni lunch? Mumetumwa? Oh, hizi ndio uniform mpya zenye mmeshona? Sawa. Those one are the schoolmates of Chris. Yeah. The schoolmate of Chris. Yeah. Yeah, man. We are still on the way. We are still on the way. We are going to school. You can see we are not very far. We are just near. We are approaching. We are approaching the school. We are approaching the school. Yeah, man. Guys, the way I told you, Jamaican boy here. Yeah, Jamaican boy, Africa. I told you that the school it's not very far. Now here, yeah, we have already reached. Yeah, this is the school. Chris, ndio shule yenu bwana. Yeah, this is the school of Chris. You can see Bohorera ECD primary and junior secondary and the junior secondary school. Okay, so it's divided. Junior secondary and the primary, they all read inside here. So Chris is 20. Chris is in wao ni grade? Wewe ni wa junior ama ni wa?
Mimi ni wa primary.
Okay, this Chris is for primary school. Okay, as you can see, we are now in the school, inside the school now. Yeah, let's go together. Yeah, let's go together. and see what makes Chris do not go to school today. A teacher is going to tell us, a teacher is going to tell me and us all why Chris is not in school. Yeah. As you can see here, we are in Bohorera ECD. Yeah. Where is your class? Tunaenda kwanza tuone mwalimu. Ni head teacher? Okay, we are going to see head teacher. Yeah, we are going to see head teacher so that we solve this case. Yeah, so that I'm going to solve this case with the Chris. Yeah, Chris, I want him to be in school. Yeah. Oh, tumefika shuleni. Waza. Yeah, man. Fiti. How are you?
I'm good, man.
Hey. How are you, bro?
I'm fine.
Hey. Yeah, man. You can see I've already reached to school. Nimekuja hapa na huyo. Ameniambia eti alifukuzwa.
Alitumwa ama alifukuzwa?
Ulitumwa ama ulifukuzwa? Oh, uniform. Okay, this George. Yes. Are you a teacher?
Yes.
Kwani mwalimu bwana? Hata wewe. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, asante. Yeah, I've already arrived. So, nataka head teacher nasikia ndio aliwatuma.
The teacher kuna wazazi huko ndani.
Kwa hivyo hata mimi naenda huko sasa.
Ama neno wa grade 8.
Okay. So, sitapata chance nyingine.
Itabidi umemsubiri huyo hapa.
Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wait. The teacher. Yeah. As you can see, we are in the office here.
Nilikuwa nataka nikwambie nilikupigia nikapata
acha mimi nikalia.
Asante basi, nashukuru.
Yeah, as you can see, we are on the bench here waiting for head teacher. Yeah, we are on the bench waiting for head teacher to come so that we solve the case. Yeah, and I go back home. No. I'm going back to my site there. Yeah, let's wait for the teacher. I have told that they have a meeting. They have a meeting with another parent of another parent of junior secondary. Yeah, that issue is a different issue with my issue here. Yeah, as you can see, those are students there. So let's wait the teacher till he came, till the time he will finish the meeting of those parents of junior secondary. And he came to me now. I talk. We know the issue of Chris. How is it going? Yeah. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue with the supporting, following, and comment, guys. Yeah. Jamaican boy here. Yeah, with the Chris. Yeah, this is my boy. It's like my boy. I come closer here. Do you know Brian? I have a story. I have a story. Do you know Brian? Brian, yule kijana alishinge nyumbani unamjua?
Yes.
Alifanya nini?
Aliiba pesa. wakaiba simu mbili.
Simu mbili, eh?
Yes.
Okay, here we are storing, waiting for the teacher to come so that we solve this case here. The story is about Brian. Yeah, Brian, my boy, my kid. I love him. Yeah, here I'm with the Chris. This the boy who slept together with the Brian. Yeah, si unajua Brian? Unajua aliendanga wapi baada ya kuchukua simu?
Alichukua simu akaenda, sasa alienda wapi?
Okay, I'm asking about the phone that was stolen with the Brian, and that the story we are storytelling here with the Chris. Yeah, so ile siku alichukua simu, wewe ulijua?
Yes.
Did you know? You know, I've been with him at his home. Nimejua kwao sasa. I went there and I volunteer. He was, you know, Boss Ayamaro. Even if I tell you about Boss Ayamaro, you don't know Ayamaro, eh?
Yes.
Okay, Ayamaro now is my boss. Yeah, he's the one who built for Brian that mansion. I will show you the mansion that Brian have been. You know, after he stolen from us, from our home, he went and steal from Ayamaro home. He steal their 2 phones and mic. I know it was. I'm going to show you the video, okay? Yeah, guys. Here, Jamaican boy. We are still waiting for headmaster to come so that I tell him about the uniform. Yeah, and I'm going back to my barber there, to my barber shop there. Yeah, so let's still wait. I'm not going to go back home before I meet the master. Yeah, so guys, continue supporting, continue watching, subscribe please. Yeah, let's show love. Yeah, this here is Chris, my boy. Yeah, Chris is my boy here. Yeah, my kid. Yeah, he's yeah, because it's me now who I'm taking care of him. So guys, please, let's show love. He's an orphan. Yeah, he don't have a father, but even their mom, they are not around. Yeah, so it's me who I'm taking care of Chris here and the Prince. I'm going to shave you. Why I have a barber shop when your hair is too big like this? But I tell you, yes, it was on Saturday. I told you that the morning that you came on the shave. Why don't you come? Okay, you make sure today you have come to shave, okay? Yes. Yeah, man, Jamaican boy, please support, like, comment. Yeah, and watch. Please don't forget to watch till the end. Yeah, watch till the end. Yeah, man. You know, guys, it's lunch time now. It's lunch time. Yeah, you can see it's lunch time. The children of Bohorera Primary, yeah, they are going for lunch. Ni lunch? Okay, I was asking if it's lunch. You can see how this school have many children, many children. Yes, it's called Bohorera Primary. It's called Bohorera Primary. You can see now they have it's time for lunch. It's lunch time. Yeah, I'm in Bohorera Primary. We have not yet solved because I'm waiting the headmaster. I'm waiting for head teacher to come. Yeah, I'm waiting for head teacher to come. Hi. Yes. It's lunchtime. Hi. Yeah, they are called grade 6. Yeah, this is a teacher. Yes, teacher. Morning. Yes. They are called grade 6 to come back. Yeah, man. It's lunchtime. I don't see Chris. Yeah, this is the school. This is the school. It's called Bohorera Primary. Yeah, this is the look of this school here. This is the look of this school. Yeah, this is a madam. Yeah, this is a madam. The young one are going home now. It's time for lunch. As you can see here, the teacher is asking for them to bring a working tools. That's why they have come together here to hear announcement from their teacher. You can see, wow, there are too many pupils. Yes. Yeah, man. Me here, I'm still waiting for head teacher. Yeah, I'm still waiting for head teacher. Yeah. Me, I'm just around. Chris, but I think others have already got to lunch. Okay, will we wait or you go and me I will solve myself? Atanielewa kweli mwalimu bila kumuona. Uniform. Juu yangeenda nyumbani, he's the one going to cook. So sijui kama ataenda alafu mimi nitasolve na mwalimu.
Sijajua, unajua maneno mkubwa ni mkubwa.
Okay. Okay, I was asking madam here if Chris can go home to prepare lunch for him. Yeah, so that me I remain here to solve his case. But she has tell me that he don't know about the head teacher. Yeah, he don't know how the head teacher will tell. So let us wait, all of us. Chris, you just come and sit here. We will go and you will come tomorrow. You will not going to come back to school today. Come and sit here. Yeah, he's here with me now. Yeah, let's chill and wait for the master. Yeah, principal. You know, in a primary school we have the teacher. In junior secondary they have, I don't know, principal. Or a headmaster is called the principal. Yes. There in junior secondary. Okay. Yeah, man. Let's continue watching. Please follow and show love. Subscribe. Yeah. Here I'm in school in Bohorera. In a Bohorera Primary. Yeah. Let's continue watching and support. Yeah, man. Yeah, you see here now they have come to take, they have sent to come and take the maize. Yeah, this is a maize. Yo, which class are you? Which class are you? Oh, grade 7. Oh, grade 7, you take lunch inside here. Okay. Now you are taking this maize to a kitchen room. Hey. Oh. Okay, now it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. This grade 7, they want to serve for lunch. You know, the way I told you that junior secondary, they are not going to lunch. They are eating in school. Now let's go and see where is the kitchen. Yeah, let's go and see where is the kitchen and see what are they eating. Yeah, in school here. Yeah, man. Let's go. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is junior secondary. Junior secondary, it's a distance from a primary school. That one buildings that you see there is a primary school, and this one here is a junior secondary. This one here is junior secondary. Yo, how are you? Why are you smiling? It's lunchtime. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he's smiling because it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime. We are going to see how they do take lunch. You know, I'm going to show you how they are going to take lunch. Which type of food they are going to eat today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is a kitchen. Yeah, this is the kitchen of this school here called Bohorera. Yeah, this is their kitchen. Yeah, man. This is their kitchen. They have to come and serve lunch. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, you can see the lunch here is ready. Yeah, the lunch is ready here. Yeah, you can see this is the kitchen of this school. But those who are eating inside here, they are junior secondary. Junior secondary peke yake ndo munakulanga hapa ndani? Yes. Okay. You see, I show you the primary children. They do go for lunch. They do go home for lunch. But this junior secondary here, they'll do take lunch from school. Yeah, so they are different. Yeah, so let's wait till they take lunch. Today I'm gonna show you what kind of food they are going to take. Yeah, here in school, because I'm here. I was with the Chris here. Yeah, so that I've come to ask permission to the teacher, because as you can see, this is the new this uniform which you are seeing here. This is the new uniform which the Chris have been sent. Yeah, so as you can see, they are in a new uniform. This is the uniform which they want to buy. Yeah, man. Welcome again, Jamaican boy. Yeah, you can see they are washing their plates. Hapo ndo munaoshea, kila mtu anaoshanga sahani yake. Oh, kumbe si eti naoshwa pamoja yote. Yeah, they are washing their utensils. They are washing their plates so that they use it to take lunch. You know, here they have to make a queue. They have to make a queue so that they take lunch. Yeah, wonderful. It's very nice uniform, as you can see. Very nice uniform. Their uniform are good. Yeah, amazing uniform. Yeah, this is a new uniform which they have to. Yeah, that's the teacher. That's a teacher telling them to make a good queue, and a teacher is telling them that they make a 2 queue. A boys different queue. Boys, as you can hear here, they are saying that wasichana line yao and the boys line yao. So first serve. Okay, as you can hear here, ladies first. Their teacher are telling them that, yeah, ladies first. You know, here is a mixed school. It's a mixed school. So ladies will serve first, then boys will serve. Boys will be next after all girls have served the food, then boys will come to serve again. Whoa, as you can see here, these are sukuma wiki, these are kales. Hey. Yeah man, these are kales. And this is ugari. Na munakula ugari kubwa. You can see they have make a very good queue here, a very good line. Yeah, so that they eat. They want to eat. It's time for eating. Yeah, the teacher telling them to make a straight queue. You can see these young ladies here. They are hungry. They want to take ugari and the sukuma wiki here. Yeah, we call it kales. Sukuma wiki.